Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, if only I could turn back the clock just a little? We've all been there. But what if I told you that the secret to looking 20 years younger could be hiding in your kitchen cabinet? You've heard about the wonders of graham flour for your skin, but let me introduce you to a hero ingredient. Cornstarch. Yes, that same cornstarch you use to thicken your soaps or bake your favorite treats. Believe it or not, this humble kitchen staple has been quietly working its magic in skincare products for years, from toothpaste to body scrubs. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, acne, or just want that youthful glow back, cornstarch might be the game changer you've been searching for. So stay tuned and I'll share with you my secret skin rejuvenating, simple, homemade face masks using cornstarch. Without further ado, let's begin. Cornstarch and the wonders it does for skin. Before we dive into the DIY face masks that could give your skin that youthful glow, it's important to understand why cornstarch is so promising. You might be wondering, what exactly can cornstarch do for my skin? Well, let me break it down for you. While there isn't a ton of scientific research backing every single claim about cornstarch, it's been gaining popularity for good reason. Dermatologist Dr. Seema Oberoi-Lal has shed some light on why this simple kitchen staple is making waves in the skincare world. Number 1, gentle removal of dead skin cells. You know, cornstarch has a fine, gritty texture that works wonders as a physical exfoliant. So it gently sweeps away those dead skin cells and impurities that dull your complexion. This can help unclog pores, prevent breakouts, and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed, just like newborn skin. Number 2, soaks up excess sebum. If you've got oily or acne-prone skin, cornstarch might become your new best friend. Its starchiness acts like a sponge, soaking up excess oil and helping to control that unwanted shine. By minimizing the appearance of pores and reducing breakouts, cornstarch helps keep your skin looking fresh. Number 3, eases irritation and redness. We've all had those days when our skin feels irritated, whether it's from too much sun, a rash, or general sensitivity. Cornstarch has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe these irritations. It calms redness and promotes a more even skin tone, giving your face that relaxed, even glow. Number 4, vitamin A and antioxidant boost. Last, but certainly not least, cornstarch contains small amounts of vitamin A and antioxidants. These are like little powerhouses for your skin, helping with cell turnover and collagen production. This can lead to a brighter, more youthful appearance and might even help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. With that said, let's move on to the fun part, creating those DIY face masks that could be your ticket to younger looking skin. DIY cornstarch masks to look 20 years younger. Now that you're in on the secret of what cornstarch can do for your skin, let me share a little story. Not too long ago, I found myself scrolling through endless skincare products, each promising miracles, but delivering, well, not much. That's when I remembered something my grandmother used to do. She was fond of creating the simplest yet most effective remedies right in her kitchen. And one of her best kept secrets? Well, cornstarch. I was totally inspired by her wisdom, so I started experimenting with cornstarch myself, mixing it with a few other ingredients I had lying around. What happened next was almost magical. My skin felt smoother, looked brighter, and had that glow I thought I'd lost somewhere along the way. And the best part? It was all natural, no fancy products needed. So today I'm going to share a 3-step routine that I've been following to keep my skin looking and feeling years younger. We're going to start with something simple to exfoliate, move on to hydration, and then finish with a cream that might just be your new secret defense weapon against wrinkles. Step 1. Cornstarch Face Scrub for exfoliation. Let's begin with a face scrub that's perfect for exfoliating and refreshing your skin. I remember the first time I tried this scrub. It was a hot summer day and my skin felt tired and dull. And this simple scrub changed everything. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon oats powder, 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 3 tablespoons coconut oil. Moving on, just mix all the ingredients in a bowl until they're well combined. Wash your face with warm water to open up your pores, and then gently apply this scrub. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, letting those natural ingredients work their magic. After that, rinse it off with warm water, and you'll feel like your skin just had a mini makeover. I recommend using the scrub twice a week to keep your skin looking fresh and smooth. Step 2. Cornstarch Face Mask for hydration. Next, let's talk about hydration. We all know how easily our skin can become dehydrated, especially after a long day out in the sun. This next mask is my go-to for when my skin needs a serious drink of moisture. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Mix both of them together in a bowl, and after cleansing your skin thoroughly, apply this mask. Let it rest on your skin for 20 to 30 minutes, just enough time for it to soak in all those hydrating benefits. Once it's dry, wash it off with cold water. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and ready to face whatever the day throws at you. Step 3. Cornstarch cream for a youthful glow. And now for the grand finale, a homemade cream that I like to call my secret weapon for looking 20 years younger. I first stumbled upon this recipe when I was searching for something to help with those fine lines that seemed to sneak up on me. After trying it out, I was hooked. Here's what you'll need: 2 spoons of cornstarch, 250 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. First, mix the cornstarch with the water in a pot and bring it to a boil. Keep stirring until you get a creamy mixture, then set it aside to cool. While that's cooling, take the flax seeds and boil them in 250 milliliters of water. Once they've cooled down, strain the mixture using a cloth to extract the flaxseed gel. Combine the cornstarch mixture with the flaxseed gel and mix well. This cream is suitable for all skin types and can be stored in a small jar for daily use. Just apply it to your skin every day, and you'll start to see the wrinkles fade and your skin tighten, revealing that youthful glow you've been missing. Using cornstarch masks safely and effectively. I know you're excited to try these DIYs, but before that, it's important to know how to use cornstarch face masks the right way. Always mix cornstarch with other ingredients for a smoother paste to prevent dryness. Apply the mask to clean, dry skin, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Afterwards, pat your face dry and apply moisturizer. Always do a patch test on your inner arm to make sure you're not allergic, and remember to use these masks just once or twice a week. A few more things to keep in mind. Be gentle. Cornstarch's gritty texture can be too harsh if you rub it in too vigorously. Less is more, so a thin layer will do the trick. Avoid mixing cornstarch with lemon juice. The combination can be too acidic and irritating. And don't leave the mask on for more than 15 to 20 minutes to avoid drying out your skin. Always listen to your skin. If it feels uncomfortable, rinse off the mask immediately. And that's about it. To wrap up, cornstarch is your new skincare secret for glowing, youthful skin, whether you're exfoliating, hydrating, or tackling wrinkles. For more ways to keep your skin looking amazing, check out our video on collagen DIYs. Collagen is crucial for a youthful glow, and we've got some fantastic tips you don't want to miss. Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more beauty hacks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.